Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into how you can change your name on Roblox. First, open your preferred browser. For this tutorial, I'm using Google Chrome. Then, navigate to Google's search page. Type in Roblox and select the official Roblox website from the search result. Now, make sure you're logged into your Roblox account. If you're already logged in, you'll see your profile at the top right. If not, simply log in or sign up for a new account. Step 1. Click on the gear icon located on the top right-hand corner, representing settings. From the drop-down, choose the settings option. In the settings section, you'll see two names, display name and username. Your display name can be changed easily by clicking the edit icon next to it. Then, modify it as per your preference and save. For changing the username, it's a bit different. Click on the edit icon next to your current username. You'll notice it requires 1000 Robux to change it. If you don't have a sufficient Robux, you can purchase them. There are different packages available. For instance, you can get 1,700 Robux for $19.99. Once you have the necessary Robux, simply go back to the settings page. Click the edit icon next to your username and make your desired change. And there you have it. That's how you can easily change your name on Roblox. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!